What is going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, I have gone officially all USB Type C. I finally got the tablet that I was really trying to get last year, but I found it at such a great price. I could finally get it. And that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. As you guys can see right here, this is my S2. I've had it for over 2.5 to 3 years now. It's wore out. The processor that Samsung elected to put in it, I believe, was from the Note 4 back in the day. So although a potent processor, it wasn't going to last that long in a tablet. And with the advancements and apps and the resources that they use, it just ate up this tablet. YouTube doesn't even work that well on here. It keeps freezing and locking up. And then I played Marvel Contest of Champions, and I feel like that's probably what ultimately started killing this device. So I'm glad to be able to finally update with the Tab S4. Now, I know that the Tab S5e is coming out within a few months, but it's also a weaker version of, it's basically like a little brother to the Tab S4. It's rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 as opposed to the S4 rocking the 835. Now, this came out last year. I don't know why Samsung did not put the 845 in here. So hopefully that doesn't take too much of a hit in terms of performance over the lifetime, because I do plan on keeping this for another 3-4 years before opting out. And I would like to see if I can edit on this. And so that's why I opted to get this instead of waiting for the S5e, which also means that the Tab S5, if it does see the light of day this year, is going to come out towards the end of the year, just like this one. But without further ado, let's finally get into this box to get to the tablet. Where did I find the good deal? Side note, don't ever cut towards you. It's just don't do it. I found this deal via T-Mobile. You know, I've been rocking with T-Mobile over the past 6 years, and I didn't even know they were carrying this last year. They started carrying this around, or in November. I did not know they were carrying this tablet last year. But it wouldn't have mattered, because either way, the promotion that they were running, they ran last year as well, and then it came back in like in February of this year. As soon as I figure out how to open this box, the BOGO, it wasn't a BOGO deal, it was a half off. You know, you add a line, you get half off the device. So of course, with LTE connectivity capable tablets, if you hold up, please don't tell me it's like right here. Okay, sorry guys, it's taking. Yeah, so the tablet would have ran for $675, but because I have a tablet line, I was able to basically swap out this tablet for that tablet on my other line and get half off. So I only pay $336 and some change for this tablet, and it's, oh my goodness, the presentation. So as we see, box empty, toss it, and Shazamo! The Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. I love that blue logo. Nice black box. It's amazing. I like that Samsung went with black boxes, because the Tab S2 came in a white box and it was T-Mobile branded. So it may be, once we power it up, we'll find out for sure that it's unlocked. I really hope so. But yeah, so I got this tablet basically for $336 as opposed to the $650 that it's, you know, listed at on Samsung's website. And then or $675 since it's a carrier or LTE model. And then of course there's always like little promos that be running for these tablets. Oftentimes they run somewhere around, okay, I thought I cut you, $100 to $150 off. So that remains to be seen how often that will come in handy. Come on, Tiger Claw, do your job. Okay, there we go. Ooh. So of course, my model, I think this is the only model T-Mobile carries, because they didn't ask me if I wanted a specific model. This is the 64GB model, 10.5 inches. I love the fact that there's no home button anymore. Fingerprint sensor, they use iris scanning for security. It comes with an S Pen. I got the black model. I probably would have got black anyways, regardless of whether or not they carried like the silver. So it's not as big of a deal either. Look at that sleeve right there. Guys, I'm loving this. Move my little faithful plant out the way. I need to get a wider camera here. Ooh, nice and oh my goodness, it feels good, guys. It feels good. We're not going to get into it quite yet. We're gonna see what's in the box. So I get my T-Mobile SIM that I'll be popping in here. You know what I'm saying? Slightly toss it. Then you got the startup guide stuff, the SIM ejection tool, which I will need. Let's see here. Let me get that and put it over here. You guys see, boom. I like these little cute SIM ejection tools, you know what I'm saying? So now the rest of this nonsense, toss it. Then, okay, so we don't get a black charger or a black cable. I was hoping to be able to do so. As I said or stated, USB Type-C. Look at that. So all my stuff now, USB-C. I love it. I only need to carry one cable or at least 3 of the same cables. And I'm good. Now I just got to transition from USB Type-A to USB-C to USB-C to USB-C. And then I'll officially be good. But get your charging tools right here. I'll put them over here where you guys can't see them. Then you get the S Pen right here. Oh my goodness. This is my first time using basically a stylus or anything. And I don't think there's anything else left in here. I would have loved if the keyboard came with the, because that keyboard's like $100 still, which is still cheaper than $150 when it first came out. So that's all that's for the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all, well, the book stuff back in here. I don't need it. I will need my SIM. We will package this up. Bam. Woo. So we'll just put that up there for now. So put the pin right here, and let's finally unsleeve the Galaxy Tab S4. Sorry for making y'all wait so long, but you know we gotta get all the other stuff out the way, and I just gotta figure out how to. Did I just rip it then? Oh, right here. So it's right here. I don't know why my focus keeps dipping in and out like that, but ooh, okay, all glass, different. You see, there's a matte finish here on the back, or you know, it's like a, I don't want to say fake leather or just plastic on the back of the Tab S2. Now we get glass. Look at that. Fingerprint magnet. I might put a skin on it since it is available. What in the world? Okay. Give me 1 second, because it's, oh. How about that? How about that? Oh, wow. Guys. And it's got more heft to it, too. Oh, you guys can straight see me. And the light, I don't know why that's on. Give me, hold. Guys, my setup is weird right now. Woo! You get a little more heft with this. You get your magnetic charging / like keyboard adapter right there. You get, is that the USB-C charger right there? No. Oh, that's still part of the connector for the keyboard. Here we go. Charging down here, USB-C. You still got a headphone jack. You get AKG tune quad speakers on here. Then you got the power button and your volume rocker over here. So I'm not mad at it. And then you got your iris scanning and your camera up here. I think it's a 5 megapixel or 8 megapixel on the front, and I believe a 13 megapixel on the back. Don't pay attention to my other phone here. But this is the back. It's really shiny. It looks clean. It definitely lets you know that it's tuned by AKG. We're going to put this phone on silent here if it don't chill out. I'm just going to put it on the floor. Say hello to the S10e. Hey. Now, let's power it on and see if it's like completely unlocked, or if we have to, let's see here, if there's any juice left. Woo! Secured by Knox. Get a nice little vibration. God, this is a nice tablet. This is a very nice tablet. Something I really needed. I'm looking forward to setting this up. And using Samsung DeX on here. Okay, so it is a T-Mobile branded one. I'm definitely looking forward to using, what'd I say? Samsung DeX. And see if it's like drastically different from, you know, just a normal tablet mode. And see if I can actually use that more often than tablet mode. So we're going to find out. The nice part about what Samsung doing with all their updates in terms of like their devices is everything's pretty much getting Android 9 Pie, and the tablet will be receiving Android 9 Pie in April, or by the end of April. So it could be coming anytime soon. This month, I believe March, it got the January and February update. So I'm assuming March, the March security patch will be with the Android 9 Pie. But even Google, I don't think, released a March security patch. So that's interesting. But let me see here. Oh, I gotta insert. Okay, let me connect to my stuff here. As a matter of fact, let me just set it up for two. Just give me a second. All right, sorry about that. I was setting up my email and whatnot after everything's set up. So I'm shooting off my Galaxy S10e right now for the second half of this video because my Pixel 2 died in the middle of shooting. Now, the quality of video on here is crazy. It's so nice. But as we see, we get a good clean image. And the wider angle on my Samsung actually gives me more, gives me more for you guys to see and enjoy. So, and I'm not having that focus issue, you guys. I might be shooting my 10e from now on. But yes, comes with 64 gigs of RAM internally. I installed my 128 gigabyte SD card, so it's expandable. Comes with the S Pen. I've been using it a little bit. I'm not used to it, but it's very cool, and I'm actually surprised at how good it feels like on the screen. So I actually might be taking handwritten notes again with this pen. Now, let's see here. In quick settings, you can actually, if you swipe over, you can actually access Samsung Dex right there. Now, I have a whole bunch of stuff going on right now, so I'm going to wait on that, and I might do another video on Samsung Dex. We will see. But right now, this is just like a quick look at the Samsung Tab S4, 10.5 inches. My Tab S2 was 9.7 inches, so you get more size, you get more weight, but it's good weight. Gorilla Glass 5 covers this whole slab of a tablet here. You're running 8.1.0 out of the box, so Android Oreo. As I've mentioned, you will receive the Android 9 Pie update by the end of April for this. So anytime between now and the end of April, it will access or be on the Tab S4s. And so I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm looking forward to checking that out. Let me see if I can access video on here now. I'm not going to use the pen. I'm just going to use my hand real quick. Ooh. Okay. So, man, they really did. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, so I haven't accessed stuff like this in a while, other than my tablets too. But let's see if I can get YouTube's going on Technically T. Look at Painfully Honest Tech. Everybody going live right now. Kevin the Tech Ninja. I'm subscribed to a lot of people. So let's actually see if we can check out Technically T here. See if he'll respond. Give him a like. Let's let me turn the volume back up. Let's check him out real quick. Let's see, top chat. Oh boy. You know what? Let me see. Let me actually sign into Versatile so he can actually see. That's my other standard account that I've had for life. Let's actually log back in here. You see how clear the video pretty much got? Give him another like. Let's see here. The volume sounds pretty good on here. Oh no, I'm not used to not having swiping. I need my Gboard. Technically T over here snapping. All right, let me turn the volume back down so you don't try to copyright. Oh, they're swiping. Let's see if he'll respond. It's pretty good volume. Video looks good. Let's see what it looks like full screen. Yeah, that's funny. All right, let me go ahead and See if I can see. All right, so that's it for this video. They were going to kind of show you guys stuff real quick. You know, guys, let Technically T know if he doesn't watch this video that we was watching him on the new Tab S4. Very clean, very sleek device. I'm looking forward to using this thing. Like, oh my goodness. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I actually sign out, let me check my settings, see if I can see if it's still not on here. All right, so I guess YouTube still has an update. I'm trying to get that dark mode back on here. Oh man. But hey, your boy Verso signing out. And until the next video. Bow, bow, bow. This. Woo! Oh! Wait for it.